Hello, this is Mike Greenlee, broker for Old Fences Realty. And this great new listing we have right here, just a wonderful house. Now the trailer, it is not in very good shape. It's not really livable. I'm not sure it could be fixed up to be used or not. It's pretty rough. But the house has all been totally repainted inside, and a bunch of new floor coverings. A lot of work's been done to the house to make it a nice home. Has a nice big porch there on the front, which would be great for entertaining. Another porch along the side that would be a perfect place for a picnic area, eating dinner, listening to the wildlife. Open floor plan, as you can see, that is a huge room. There's also a new hot water tank in that picture there. And this is the master bedroom. It really doesn't, the picture doesn't do it justice. It's a really, really big room. It goes the full width of the house. 2 full baths, 4 bedrooms total in the house, so lots of room for that as well. A lot of floor coverings have been redone. Still a few needs to be have a little work, but you know, it seems to be in really good shape otherwise. There's that new hot water tank, placed there for a washer and dryer. As I fly over this way, you'll see that there's another hookup for a mobile home over there, or another house. If you want to build over there, you're very much, it's a good spot. There had been a mobile home there previously, so it's just about ready to roll if you want to have a mother-in-law's home or want to make a little extra income, you know, from a rental. The land, beautiful woods, absolutely beautiful woods. There's lots of trails back through there if you like to ride side-by-sides and four-wheelers. The sportsmen in the family will love all the game out there. There is tons and tons of deer and turkey and small game. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and definitely you want to subscribe so that way you get the first shot of our listings. I'm Mike Greenlee, 304-377-3758. Thank you for watching.